grade 7. Welcome to Miss Mice's Math Virtual Classroom. Today we'll discuss about changing decimal to fraction. Different types of decimals. Type of decimal and example. Number 1, non-repeating and terminating decimals. Example 0.25. So there is no integer that is being repeated, or there is no digit that is being repeated. And terminating, there is last digit or it ends. Next, number 2, repeating and terminating. Example 0.55, 0.644, and 0.444. Number 3, repeating and non-terminating. So first is 0.713333. So there is a repeating digit which is 3 and it doesn't end. So 0.3 with bar above. So the repeated is 3 and it doesn't end. Next, 0.77 with bar above. So repeated is 7 and again it never ends. Number 4, non-repeating and non-terminating. Example 0.31437 and so on. So there is no pattern or there is no digit that is being repeated. Then it doesn't end. Write each as a fraction. So decimal, fraction form, fraction in simplest form. So 0.16, number 2, 0.4, number 3, 7.012, and number 4, 0.555. So in the given, so we have terminating decimal. So there is last digit. So we have last digit. So we will change it to fraction so as we read it. So example, so number 1, 0.16, or we read it as 16 hundredths. So 16 over 100 or 16 hundredths. So the denominator is in the power of 10. So because of the decimal places, so 1 is in the tenths place. So the given is in the hundredths place. So it is 16 hundredths. Then always simplify your answer. So the answer is 4 over 25. Next, 0.4 or 4 tenths. So 4 over 10 or 4 tenths. Then simplify. Common factor of 4 and 10 is 2. So divide the numerator by 2 and the denominator by 2. So the final answer is 2 over 5. Number 3. So 0 is in the tenths. Then 1 is hundredths. Then 2 is thousandths place. So the answer is 7 and 12 thousandths. Then express your answer in lowest form. So 7 and 3 over 250. Common factor of 12 and 1000 is 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Then 1000 divided by 4 is 250. So we have 7 and 3 over 250. Number 4, so we have 3 decimal places. So it is 555 over 1000. Then express your answer in simplest form. Divided by 5. So divide the numerator by 5, 111. Divide the denominator by 5, so 200. The answer is 111 over 200. So change decimal to fraction. But this time, so we have repeating decimal. So number 1 is 0.5555 or 0.5 with bar above. So we have repeated, the digit that is being repeated. So step 1. So let n be the given 0.5 with bar above. Okay, then step 2. We will multiply step 1 by a power of 10. So, it depends upon the number of digits that is being repeated. So, there is only one digit that is being repeated, so it is 5. So, 10 raised to 1 is 10. So, we will multiply both sides n and 0.5 by 10. So, we will multiply it by 10. So, 10 times n is 10n. So, just copy the equal sign. Then, 10 times 0.5555 is 5.55555 or with bar above. Or you just move the decimal point one place to the right. Then, step number 3. So, copy step number 2. 10n equals 5.555. Then, minus step number 1. So, subtract. So, 10n minus n or 10n minus 1n. So, 10 minus 1 is 9. 9n. 5.555 minus 0.555 is 5. So, n is, so multiply both sides by 1 over 9. So, 5 over 9. So, therefore, 0.5 with bar above is 5 over 9. So, number 2, 0.3 with bar above or 0.333333 and so on. So, step 1. So, let n be the given 0.3 with bar above. Step 2. Multiply n is 0.3 by a power of 10. So, it depends upon the number of digit or number of repeatant. So, there is only 1 or 10 raised to 1. So, it is 10. So, multiply it by 10. So, 10 times n is 10n. Then, 10 times 0.333 is 3.33333 or with bar above. Step number 3. So, copy. So, step number 2, 10n is 3.33333 minus step number 1. So, n is 0.3. So, 10n minus n is 9n. Then, 3.3 with bar minus 0.3 with bar is 3. So, n is, so multiply both sides by 1 over 9. So, it is 3 over 9. Then, simplify. Always express your answer in simplest form. So, it is 1/3. So, n is 1/3. Therefore, 0.3 with bar above is 1/3. Next, number 3. So, change 0.27 with bar above 27 to fraction. Okay, so for the solution, so step number 1. So, let n be the given 0.27. Actually, so it is the same as 0.2727272727, and it never ends. So, step number 2. So, since number of repeatant, so we have 2 digits 2 digits, so it is 10 squared, which is 100. So multiply both sides by 100. So 100 times n is 100n. 100 times 0.272727 is 27.27. Or you just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, step number 3. So, subtract. So, 100n equals 27.27. Then minus step number 1, n is 0.27. Okay, so 100n minus 1n or n is 99n. So 27.27 with bar above minus 0.27 with bar above, so it is 27. So n is, so multiply both sides by 1 over 99. So it is 27 over 99. Then divide the numerator or simplify. So divide by 9. So 27 divided by 9, 3. 99 divided by 9, 11. So the answer is 3 over 11. So therefore, 0.27 with bar above is 3 over 11. Okay, so that is all for today, and thank you.